We're barbecuing in December.
As you do.
Yeah.
It's a good spread though.
It's great.
Burgers and sausages and sandwiches and salad and wedges and chicken and yum. It's going to be good. Though, you were sheltered because it's raining, right?
Yeah, I did have a canopy. See you again.
Okay, hold on.
You should take some photos.
I'm a bit busy.
Did you be alright? What?
What? No, I didn't. But I didn't.
You're going to wobble across the room now, aren't you? She looks quite casual sitting on your feet there as well.
She does that sometimes, eh?
You can turn the flash off if you don't want it to.
I get to know how to work this thing.
Welcome to Cookery 101 with Ruth and Lila and Rebecca, and we've been making some whoopie pies. So this is the results so far. This is oatmeal raisin, and we're about to pipe out some chocolate chippy ones, and then we'll put the fillings and stuff in. So we're having lots of fun, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and I think we're going to have more fun eating them. So we'll call you back for that. So we're just busy admiring our creations now. These are our chocolate chip whoopie pies filled with chocolate filling, and our oatmeal raisin with orangey buttercream.
You wouldn't like them, they're disgusting.
They're absolutely horrible. You're not missing anything, trust me. Yeah, I'm just going to be sick.
Ruben, can you tell Ruth where you're going?
I don't like you being in that car with that little delinquent in a hoodie.
To Sainsbury's. What have you to get at Sainsbury's?
You need to go and get some marshmallows.
To walk, no more driving.
What do you need to buy at Sainsbury's?
We have to buy some Garth DVD and all the one.
Garth Brooks DVD.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh dear.
Give her a big hug.
Where did the
very gentle, Pete.
here, put it in my pocket. And then shall we go?
Times that child gets hit in the head.
Where's Sainsbury's?